We're here at the elephant tour.
Yeah.
Having a little breakfast. Start the day. And right next to us are elephants. I'm gonna go see the elephants for a second. Just from here.
Everything already construction, building. Also, like so, you be open project to start 3 months and COVID-19, then we close. All right. So that's so next 2 months you're gonna plan to open again. All right. When I finish talking here, we're gonna go to that zone to making food. We are going to making rice ball and elephant sushi. Yeah. Okay. Because no food, no friend. No food, no photo. Okay. They love the food. They love you when you have food. But when you have no food, difficult to stay close because they expect food from you every day in order to come and feed them. Okay, if you be scared, like I said, okay, it's good chance to do to the elephant, get to know about them. Okay, so once we finish everything there, we're gonna head out to see all of the inside sanctuary. All right, it's take about let's say 30 minutes, 40 minutes inside sanctuary. When we finish the tour, we come back here. We have some French fries, spring roll, fruit, okay, banana. Watermelon, Thai dessert. We have some snack, last snack for you, right? And the tour is going to finish about like 4 p.m. On the way back to the hotel, if you don't want to go back to your hotel, you would like to change your destination. For example, you like to go fishing village, the beach, or the club, or like Central. You can tell me. Or Kuja, another tour guide. We can organize a car for you. Everything including package. Can go drop you somewhere. Okay, but please tell us earlier, yeah? It's not just immediately time. Okay, because it's quite difficult to organize a car. Okay? And Thailand is a hot country. Drink a lot of water. If you finish, run out one, give you get a new one. We have lots of free water for you. If you feel a little bit sleepy, okay? Tea, coffee, yeah, hot chocolate, everything free. And on the table we provide some bus spray. Please use that bus spray some free. When you finish, just go simply wash your hand. We have 2 single water over here. You can wash your hand. Boost is made from grass, corn, yeah, like leaf, yeah. Okay. So all we come to this. Normally we are going to start. We are going to let you guys do at the beginning, but at the moment we have more people coming back. It takes like too long because we would love you stay longer, like with elephant. Okay. So here just only make a ball. Okay. So. The country where you're from, okay, some of you have snow, right? We are going to make like snowball.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so easy. You chew it.
I feel like we're the only ones to get
snow. And then you take some.
Canada.
Okay, you definitely get snow. You win.
Okay. Make sure it's tight. Okay. And then we are going to use the rice stalks again to cover this. Because later on it's not starting to stick in your hand. We're going to feed to the older one, the old grandma. She after inside sanctuary. You can go buy her later. Okay? So this is good for breaking and put medicine inside. When we do that, sometimes the second one they break it, they check. Yeah. Sometimes we have to skip. Medicine, no. Medicine, no. Okay, they're so smart. All right. So now, are you ready? We're going to help each other to finish all of this.
You can do it.
Didn't like it.
Really?
Je pense que c'est ça. Au début, lui par contre à gauche,
That's food.
vas-y, regarde comment il les gobe. Tu vas filmer, regarde, il est là-bas comme il les gobe sa merde. Filme-moi, vas-y.
Uh-huh.
Ah, viens, j'en ai une amie là-bas.
Okay, another tour guys over there. He can take you go see Elephant Sanctuary. Okay, so enjoy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask him. Okay, and also you're gonna carry the bag of banana bag. Okay, so if you're ready, you can go meet him over there. Okay, thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Everybody, can you touch me over here, please? Okay, right. After this, I'm gonna bring you get inside there. Right, you see all elephant in there. Right, you already see two of them right here, right? You still remember their name?
No.
No. Okay, I give you information again. That one is Kamsan, and this one Kampang. Right, Kamsan is 55-year-old. Kampang is 59. Okay, right, they are BFF. Right, they're friends forever. Right, we cannot separate them. Right, so they're always together here. Right, in the future we try right all the way to make them stay together. Okay, so it's like right now they are separate because they don't like each other. They come from different place. Right, it took a while until they're gonna get to know each other and stuff. Okay, right. But anyway, when we get inside there, right, I'm gonna give you the bag of the fruit. Right, to give to feed elephant inside there too. Right, and also everybody, when you carry this bag, right, you carry only one side of your shoulder. Right, do not cross in your neck. Okay, because this bag they smell very yummy. When they get inside there, the elephant they are free. Now they might come closer to you to grab the bag. Okay, if you cross your neck will be gone. Right, because the trunk elephant they are so strong, they can lift up more than 200 kilograms. Okay. So that's why for you it's very easily to lift you up. Right, swing you around. You might have the like flight from here to Bangkok. I don't want that to happen today. Right? All right, everybody, come grab one bag each, please. Welcome.
Même lui là.
Thank you.
La question Dior, un éléphant Dior, c'est
Thank you.
J'ai déjà vu du Dior, j'ai déjà vu Dior d'éléphant.
Hang, she is 57-year-old. We will rescue her from Phuket. Right? We rescued her from 2020. I did the last elephant that we rescued. Okay, right? Because after that it's COVID, it's very worse. Right? So it's like we save all the money and stuff for the food of them. Right? Each elephant, each one, right? One elephant, like about 2,000 baht per day for the food that we have to buy for them every day. Right? So that's why it's used a lot of money to take care of them too. And also we have 13 of them. Right? So it's cost a lot of money right today. Right? And this one, you know, like the first day when we go rescue her, she very skinny. Right? You can see her waist. Right? Because on that time it's not many customers, right, to riding and stuff. And you know what she do? It's like the people just tightening her leg with the chain all the time, only half a meter long. Yeah, she just stand there for a day and day, right? And also what they feed her, just only like a coconut leaf, palm leaf. That is like nothing, like for elephant, right? They just eat that food to survive. They don't get any special food and stuff. That's why I say they are so skinny, right? And you know when they used to be work in the riding camp and stuff, right? The elephant they hardly be free, right? They only be free when the customer come right on them, but not 100% like free, because they're gonna have like the one that control elephant that sit on the neck with the hook, the knife and stuff. When the elephant did not turn left, turn right, or they not do as the mahout want, they're gonna use that hook hitting and their forehead. It's mostly in their forehead they're gonna have scar and stuff on it, right? So every one of them, right? So that's why, okay? When one elephant they used to be work there for 30 years, 40 years, they be locked up. They never be free. So we want to have played like this to let them enjoy. It's also, you know, we cannot say like we not control the elephant. We do control the elephant too, right? Sometimes if they get sick, right, they're not gonna eating, or sometimes we have to check their health, check their feet and stuff. Right? We have to control on the way, something like that too. That is very good for them health, right? And sometimes, you know, like when an elephant they're walking, right, under the feet elephant they can get cut or something like that too, right? Or they have the hole, right? Every elephant they have the hole under the feet because they don't have any shoe to wear. So that's why. Like sometimes, you know, in the hole, sometimes there are rock, stone stuck on it. Right? in the all time we're not checking, they're gonna get infected too. So that's why sometimes we have to tell them to lift the feet up and stuff to check them, right? Everything, right? And for her, this one, the first day we go rescue her, we go with the vet, let's go check her health and stuff. And then on the cheek, her cheek, she get a problem on her cheek. She have like the cut, they go very deep in there, right? And then they start to get infected. Let it go deeper and deeper inside, right? And we cannot do operation like to her, right? Because when we're gonna do operation, we have to give her like the medicine to make her sleep. And you know, for the elephant, after like 50-year-old, it's not easy, right? If we give them the medicine to make them sleep, we're not 100% sure they will wake up. So what we have to do right now, we clean it every day and give them like antibiotics and stuff. That's the only way. But now they get it better. They start get smaller now. That it's hope one day will be gone soon. Right? And in this place, you know, we don't have any hospital like for elephant in Samui. Only hospital for elephant is on Krabi, take about 8 hours. From here to there. Right? And also in here, like if elephant gets sick, something like that. Right? We have some medicine, that basic thing like to helping them and stuff. And also every 2 or 3 weeks, the vet gonna come here, right? Gonna give them the vitamin, check their health, every elephant health here, right? Every 3 weeks. Right? So that's why, okay? Right? And this one, you know, she had not good teeth also, because you know they used to be eating like hard stuff a lot. Sometimes like they lost the teeth, their teeth is broken. So that's why for her, right? We're gonna give her like a soft food, like a rice ball, and elephant sushi. Okay, gonna give it to her, right? And also we want to make her fat, kind of, okay?
Yeah.
Make her healthy, but anyway, you know, cannot say fat to the woman. Like, you have to say like beautiful and sexy. Not fat. All right, everyone, let's go closer to her, right? This one is very gentle, right? Very gentle. She's slow, everything, right? But the two after this, that's gonna be naughty. Right? They eat very fast. Right? They're gonna come into you, try to grab the bag or try to get banana from you. But when you be there, right? What you have to do, you just stand still, prepare banana in your hand to feed them only, right? Not move backward. If you move backward, they're gonna follow you, right? All the time. So that's why. Okay? And now you're gonna feed this one first.